first I'm going to thread the needle, okay? And then thread is about 3 yards, okay? And then I'm gonna double this thread, so which would be about total length. Actual length is about 1.5 yards, yeah? I'm gonna do double loop knot. Okay, so this is ready. Then I'm gonna cut 7/8 satin white. Each piece is, the size of each piece is gonna be 2.5 inch. So I'm gonna cut 10-inch piece, 10-inch strip first. Okay. Then I'm going to fold this 2 times. Okay, for half 5-inch, and then half again. Will give you 4 pieces of 2.5 inch. Okay, like this. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm gonna need this 5/8 organza iridescent color curry. This is gonna be 2 inch, so I'm going to cut 8-inch strip. Okay, and the same thing, gonna fold this 2 times. Okay, the half, which is 4 inch, and then half again. So then you end up with 4 pieces of 2-inch pieces. Okay, and the last one is my leaf. This is organza, moss green, dark moss actually. And today I'm gonna use one with the silver edge. Okay, so this also is gonna be 2-inch pieces. So I'm gonna cut 8-inch strip, and again 4 2 times. Okay, so 4 half once and twice. So and that 4 pieces of 2-inch pieces. Okay, so for one set I'm gonna be needing 8 pieces of white, and then also 8 pieces of curry, and then I'm gonna need 4 pieces of green. Okay, so this is one set. Okay, so this layout is for one set, and I'm gonna be sewing from left to right, okay, top to bottom. Okay, for satin there's a shiny side and the dull side. Okay, so I'm gonna have dull side facing up. Okay, and I'm gonna fold this diagonally halfway. Okay, like this, and then making sure that this leg and this leg is approximately about the same size. Okay, like this. Then I'm going to match this corner here to this side. Okay, so I'm gonna turn and flush it together like that. Okay, and I'm gonna hold this, and then I'm gonna fold 5/8 organza. Okay, now this one does not have shiny side or the dull side, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and you do the same fold diagonally halfway, turn and flush it together. Okay, like this, same shape. Then I'm gonna put the 5/8 organza in the center of 7/8 white satin. Okay, and then I'm gonna match the bottom as much as I can. Okay, and then I'm gonna fold this whole thing from bottom up. Okay, this is called single fold. Okay, and then I'm gonna sew from the back, center about 1/4 inch from the bottom. Okay, so I made 1 petal. So the base is 4 petal. Okay, so I'm gonna do again. Fold. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the second petal right behind the first petal. Okay, like that. And we're gonna do the right around circle for a total 4 pieces. Okay. Okay, this is 1 row. Okay. my first petal. Okay, this one was my last petal from the first row. So the second row, the first petal of second row, I'm gonna put this right here, which is behind the first petal from the first row. So then you just do this sequence for 3 more pieces, okay? So now I'm gonna put my second one right behind the second petal from the first row. Then I'm gonna push this down, okay? So hold with my thumb, I'm gonna kind of push up the first petal, and then my 2-finger index and my middle finger gonna just gently be on the top like this, okay? And then I just put my middle, and then you push all the way down, all the way down to the knot, okay? Then if I let go, then it's gonna misshape. So I have this little clip, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna clip it down, okay? Just like that, okay? So the next is I'm gonna do the leaves, okay? So 4 leaves we're gonna put. Okay? So again, this one it doesn't matter which side, because each side is about the same, yeah? So you do the same thing for diagonally half, and you do single 4 on this one too. So you just put 4 right around a circle. Okay, again, I'm gonna push this down and then place. Okay, so when you place these leaves, I'm gonna put each leaves in between the white petals. Okay, so this is one set, and then all you do is just repeat, okay? So I'm gonna show you one more set. I'm gonna push this down. Okay, now to place this, all you do is just place between the greens, okay? Between the greens. So you just line it up and then just let it fall, okay? So like this. And then if you see like this one here, it's not quite in between these 2 greens. So all you do is just kind of slide a little over, okay? So, and then same thing here, you just push this one and push back that, okay? So that's it. And then you clip it again. Okay, so this green here is one here, one there, and then of course the white is in between. Okay, yeah, and then you do the 4 more green. Two sets that I just complete, okay? And then from here on, you just continue until you get 36 inches, okay? That's about the average lei size, yeah?
The nice thing about this cut and sew is that it's very forgiving. So even though we showed you where the placements are, if you're a little off, overall, it's a very forgiving type of cut and sew lei. So don't worry about it too much.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not like we're not trying to make it spiral.
Or,
Yeah.
Or
Okay.
diamond shape or anything.
Diamond shape or anything like that. Yeah. So okay. So I'm gonna show you how to finish off. Okay. And here I have 36-inch lei. So I'm going to take this clip off. Okay. And then I'm going to knot it right here at the base. Okay, you want it not as close to the base as possible. Okay, so like this. Okay, so knot it, and then you can just cut the thread and tie together, or you can sew back and forth about a couple of times. Okay, which I'm gonna do it to make it extra secure. Okay, so I'm going to just grab a petal or two. Okay, and I'm gonna sew back and forth, okay? And then I'm just going to knot it right here. Okay, double loop knot. Okay, and then I'm going to cut the piece. Thread in. I'm going to just do a square knot, okay? Right here. Just right over left. And then I'm gonna do left over right. And when you do left over right, just loop twice, okay? Off. Okay, and then we're gonna put a bow. For the bow, today I'm gonna be using a 7/8 organza iridescent, okay, and color curry. So I'm gonna cut about, I'll say 10 to 12 inch pieces. Then I am going to wrap around my hand for 8 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then I'm going to cut in the middle. Then I'm going to cut at the end here, angle cut like this, okay? Angle cut. And then turn, and you do the same thing on the other side, angle cut, leaving about a little wider than a 1/8 of an inch, but smaller than 1/4 inch, okay? Approximately. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and you open this and put the cut ends together, bring it to the center, okay? And then with this piece, I'm going to tie the center, okay? And then when you tie this, you want to make sure you tie kind of tight, okay? You don't want it to slip off, okay? Tight. Then I'm going to open this from inside out. Okay? As you open, you twist down and twist up. Okay? Alternate. Twist down, twist up. Okay? And twist down, twist up and down. Okay? And you do the same thing on the other side. Okay? Twist down, twist up, down, up, down, up, and up and down. Okay? And then you hold the tie part. Okay? And then I'll just kind of shape a little. Okay? Put the ribbon in place. Okay? Like this. Okay? Okay? And then the end pieces, you just trim it off, angle cut. Just give a little angle cut. Okay? And then I'm gonna tie this onto the end that was finished.
You did such a good job. We can't find it.
I know.
It's right here.
Okay, so right here. Okay, so you just tie, regular tie. Okay, knots. Okay, so even this end, we're gonna give her an angle cut. Okay,
And the angle is important because it prevents from fraying.
That's right, exactly. This is my finished cotton sew Plumeria Lei, and
it's a very forgiving lei, so it's a good introductory to cut and sew.
That's right.
And it's really great because you can also use this for graduation lei. So you can do the same. Plumerias are kind of neutral, or you can do the school colors, which is awesome.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Mahalo noi loa. Until we meet again. Bye-bye.
Bye.